These tips, if followed, can greatly enhance the quality of the finished woodwork and can benefit novices and experts alike. Asterisk, we have listed down a few popular woodworking tips. Have a woodworking project plan. Have a set of blueprints for your project. Making a project plan enhances the efficiency and increases the work speed. A plan gives a set direction to the project and is helpful in avoiding errors and frustration. In absence of definite design plans, errors and mistakes occur, which causes a huge setback to the project. A project plan eliminates frustration and procrastination and gives a sense of purpose to the project. A definite plan causes the workflow to move in a definite direction and saves time. It is important to visualize the outcome of the project, vis-à-vis its finished look, its positioning after completion. This helps in avoiding errors during the measuring and the construction phase and in creating a perfectly finished product. All said and done, planning a project in advance helps a smooth process flow of the woodworking project. It is not important to sort design plans into a category in the woodworking tips list, because having a design plan is as essential as the actual execution of the project. Befriend your woodworking tools. Somebody once said that a workman is as good as his tools. It is important to have an in-depth knowledge of the woodworking tools before embarking on the woodworking project. Different tools serve different purpose and are used in different areas, hence it is imperative to know your tools well. For instance, it is quite tough to cut wood pieces into curves and arcs with the help of a crosscut saw. On the other hand, the jigsaw is an ideal tool to cut curves and will aid in the systematic cutting of the wood pieces. Different tools in woodworking have different areas of specialization and application. This knowing the application and the usage of all popular woodworking tools is quite important and is an important ingredient in woodworking tips. Know the nature of your wood pieces. Another popular woodworking tip is to understand the nature of the wood that the woodworker is working with. Wood wears as the time passes by, due to the exposure to the elements. This understanding helps the woodwork to last long. It is important to know the nature of the wood, the kind of force that can be applied to it. This helps in deciding the cut that should be inflicted upon the wood and deciding the setup of the joints. This knowledge helps the woodworker to execute the woodwork with finesse and leads to an outstanding outcome. To summarize, the three age-old fine woodworking tips are having a project plan, understanding your work tools and detailed knowledge of the wood you are working with. These tips can help in the timely completion of the project, avoid glitches and also enhance the outcome of the project. If you are ready to start your next project, check out Ted's woodworking projects at woodworking360.com/projects. And for more woodworking tips, check out our blog at woodworking360.com.